We're going on a trip right now to somewhere out in PA. I have no idea, but stay tuned and we're gonna get a little riding in. Let's see how it goes. A little drone action today. Yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys, so we just met up with George and we are riding in the Clinton area. I am on my 2023 Road Glide. However, he's on his 2012 Kawasaki KLR 650. His bike's a little bit set up more for off-roading, where mine is more highway. He makes fun of me all the time, tells me, I can go to places that you can't go. However, by the end of the season, I promise you, he will be on a Harley Davidson. So stay tuned for this beautiful ride. And yeah, if you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. So if you guys are in the area, it is free till July 4th. So come check out the state park if you're around the area. Guys, back. We are in a state park, and we'll be going down to a boat launch, and we're gonna get some drone footage, so you'll see some stuff.
Gotta watch out for them flipping.
I know. You seen those deer?
Yeah.
We can finally do the chip thing now. We're not at work. Alright, so we're here at the boat launch where you can launch your little boats or kayaks. It is beautiful over here. It's on this giant quarry, if I'm not mistaken. And there's parking, there's everything here to enjoy yourself. As you can see, there's the boat on the left that they're probably going to be going fishing with. But I just wanted to show you a little overview of the boat area. We are going to be heading out now to other parts of New Jersey, going possibly over to PA. So I just want you to enjoy our trip. So a lot of people ask me why I ride motorcycles, and I ride motorcycles because it's an escape and stress relief for me. However, you also have a connection with the environment from seeing mountains, animals, farmlands. There's so many things. Unlike driving in a car, riding a motorcycle allows you to feel more connected to your surroundings. You experience the weather, the smells, and sounds more directly, which enhances the overall experience. Also, learning to ride a motorcycle and improving your skills is a personal challenge, especially for me. So if you're watching this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also connect with me on Instagram at CycleMavHD, and we could share an experience of a lifetime. Where we're going, we're just getting literally lost on country roads. I'm just enjoying the beautiful weather. scenery. Look at this. How beautiful it is. This is so cool. With the cows right now. It's pretty badass. So we're back on the road right now and we're coming across this beautiful bridge. And now we're just riding around and just getting lost little by little in the country road. On the right of me is a hunting club, so there was tons of deer in the field, and we kind of had to be careful. And it's just so amazing. And I actually attached my GoPro now to the back of George's bike, so that's how we're getting that view. And oh crap! Did you guys see that? I almost just got hit by a deer. Well, I almost hit a deer, I should say. Wow. So now we're going to be heading over to the PA side, and after that whole deer incident, I'm alright. It's just a lot of deer by there. Like I said, that was a hunting club. So it was a big field with feeders, deers all over the place. So we decided we're going to head down on a side street and head over to Pennsylvania. Now I really wish I had a KLR for this trip, because I could have went down a lot of more roads. George was right when he was telling me that he has a love-hate relationship for that bike. He loves that bike because of the adventures that we're showing here. However, he also likes to cruise. Because his tires are set up for off-road tires, he can only ride on the road for so long. But like, look, we're riding along a side of train tracks, and I'm sure it's active because it's Pennsylvania back in the day. There's tons of history. Now, I'm not going to bring you guys into a history lesson, but I'm sure that railroad track is active. And just like, look at the beautiful scenery. So like, this would have been cool if we were able to actually hit a little bit off-road. But man, this trip was probably one of my best trips so far for the year. And by the way, I actually just hit 4,000 miles on my Road Glide since I bought it. It's been a year this week, which it's amazing to me because my last bike was a Roadster 1200, and I had that bike for 6 years and only put 1,200 miles on it. So something about that bike I love, but this was my bike that I always wanted growing up until now. I love the fact that I have music, GPS, the bike is comfortable, I have bags. I still haven't done any mods and upgrades yet. However, that will be coming soon. But man, this ride was one of the best rides in a long time. So enjoy what you guys see, enjoy the nature, and hopefully one day we can connect on our motorcycles. If you are a new guy or a new gal watching me, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I want to really connect with the motorcycle society and the community, I should say, not society, however, community on motorcycle riding.